Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme 15 Pro won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your mobile data. After turn on your mobile data, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and find messages app. Now click on messages and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now click on reset network settings and then click on reset. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.